Hi there, welcome to Easy English Grammar. I am Hussyn Akeb. Well, today's lesson is about the verb wish. I wish, or how it is used, because this is sometimes very confusing to some students. In fact, we use the verb wish to express a desire, and the word desire means a strong feeling of wanting something to happen. So we use wish to express a desire that's mostly impossible or very unlikely to happen. In another word, we use wish to say how we would like something to be different. How we would like something to be different right now, how we would like something to be different in past, or how we would like something to be different in future. To clear up the confusion, let's take a look at this short story. Once upon a time, there were three close friends: John, Ted, and Ali. And don't ask me what's Ali doing here. I like the cat. Anyway, these three friends used to spend their summer holiday in Thailand. You know, enjoying the lovely weather and beautiful scenery. But one year, Ali couldn't join his friends. He had an accident. In fact, a terrible accident that he cannot even move out of bed. So his friends Ted and John had to go without him. What a shame. Anyway, when they arrived there, when Ted and John arrived in Thailand, they called their friend Ali. Now let's listen to the short telephone call between Ali and his friends. Well, as you can see, Ali is very upset because he couldn't join his friends, John and Ted. Anyway, well, now let's listen to this short telephone call between John, Ted, and their friend Ali. Well, John, ooh, we wish you were here, bro. Then Ali replied, yeah, I wish I had traveled with you. Ted said, we wish you would join us next time. Then Ali said, yes, I wish I could join you next time. Well, in fact, now the story ends, but I want you to pay attention to me a little bit. Here, in this example, when John said, we wish you were here, he means right now. So, John in this example likes the situation to be different right now. Unlike Ali in this example, when he said, I wish I had traveled with you, he means in past. So Ali in this example likes the situation to be different in past so he could join his friends. But later when Ted said, I wish you would join us next time, he means future. So Ted in this example likes the situation to be different in future. Exactly the same when Ali said, I wish I could join you next time. He also means future. So as I told you previously that we use wish, the verb wish, to say how we would like something to be different. How we would like something to be different right now, or how we would like something to be different in past, or how we would like something to be different in future. Well, now with the most important part and the most confusing to some students is the sentence structure. Well, if you're not here, when John likes the situation to be different right now, in present I mean, he used past simple tense, where we wish you were here. So if you want a situation to be different right now, in present, use past simple tense. Okay? When we move to what Ali said here, I wish I had traveled, you can note that he used past perfect tense, had traveled. Of course, you know past perfect, had plus past participle. So if you want a situation to be different in past, use past perfect tense. You can see that we're going back 1/10. I mean, If you want a situation to be different in present, use get back one tense and use past simple. And if you want a situation to be different in past, get back one tense and use past perfect. The same exactly for future. If you want to change a situation in future, don't use will. You can only use would, as Ted said here, we wish you would join us, or you can use could, as Ali said here, I wish I could join you. Of course, you know that we use could with I and we. You can only say I could and we could. And we use would with the rest pronouns, you would, they would, he would, and so on. Well, another thing I want to tell you about is we can replace I wish with if only. And if only is much stronger. So instead of saying we wish you were here, easily can say if only you were here. We wish you would join us, if only you would join us. I wish I had traveled, if only I had traveled. And I wish I could join you, if only I could join you. Well, finally, I want you to remember two very important things about using the verb wish. Number one, anything you say with the wish verb is not real. And number two, anything you say with the wish verb, you're going back one tense. Well, I hope that helped you. You can leave a comment for any questions. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you get a notification every time a new lesson is published. Thanks for watching. See you.